The ANC has allegedly influenced the SABC to cancel a political show called Face the Nation that was hosted by Clement Manyathela. My name is Ualokwane and these are the news that matter the most. The show called Face the Nation, hosted by Clement Manyathela, has a contract with the SABC and the contract expires at the end of this month. And according to the SABC, they will not renew the contract. Now, the SABC claims that the decision was taken because they cannot afford to keep the show running. And officially, they said this was mainly due to budget pressures. However, insiders and media resources suggest another reason. Now, the African National Congress, known as the ANC, and the government officials were unhappy with the show's tough questioning, especially interviews that challenged President Ramaphosa's actions and also interviews that questioned why certain government reports are not made public and why certain ministers are not fired, which led to those insiders believe that the cancellation came after pressure or complaints from ANC politicians who viewed the show as too critical. Face the Nation was one of the SABC's flagship political programs and attracted a lot of viewers. Its cancellation raises questions about SABC's independence because the broadcaster is meant to be free from political influence. And South Africa's history shows the broadcaster has had tensions between editorial independence and political pressure in the past. Now, critics argue if political figures can influence programming decisions, then public confidence in open political debate could be weakened. Supporters of Face the Nation say the cancellation sets a worrying precedent. Now, they worry that hard-hitting journalism could be sidelined when it makes the powerful uncomfortable. So what does this mean for the South African media? Can a public broadcaster truly stay independent when the political party in power may be uncomfortable with critical questioning? What are your thoughts?